For academics, the benefits will be they will get access to places and people that they can research. They get the pleasure and satisfaction of being able to demonstrate the impact of their research, and impact is increasingly important now for university researchers. So there are some direct benefits in that way. There are also the indirect benefits of being challenged in the way that they think and thinking differently. And also there is often just the simple pleasure of working with people who share your interests and who are willing to support you in your research. So I think that creates can create a really strong bond between people. I think for local government, the opportunity to test thinking, change is happening very quickly in local government. It isn't possible for people in local government to do all their own research. Sometimes they don't even know what the right question is. They may not even know what the known unknowns are, or let alone the unknown unknowns. So working with academics helps them to clarify their thinking and explore other areas and possibilities that, in terms of perhaps transformational change, that they might never have thought of without that stimulation and challenge. I think for me, there have been two really exciting elements to this. One is the enthusiasm and energy which both the academic researchers and their local government collaborators have put into the projects. And one of the other really exciting things for me has been the huge variety and diversity of work and the learning that's come out of that, which can be applied in all sorts of different situations. So from understanding how communities develop resilience to floods, through understanding what is going on when refugees are resettled in urban areas, there's a huge amount of difference between those situations, but it shows just how varied and interesting academic research that is relevant to local government. I think work for academics and local government working together, it is very empowering because at the end of the project, or when the research is published, each will know a lot more than they did at the beginning, but also they'll have a relationship, they'll have a mutual understanding, they'll have experience of working together, and they will have a sense of being a team, and that strengthens academics networks and it strengthens local government networks, because they are then able to know where to go for the sort of advice and support that they need. This morning I was presenting about this project to a meeting of local authority chief executives, and somebody said, well, how do I find somebody who can tell me what best practice is in organisational development and human resources? And there is an answer to that question, but for him it was an insuperable barrier. So that we hope that by creating, not only showcasing the work of academics through case studies, but also creating a searchable database of academics in their interests, we're hoping that the people for whom that question is an insuperable barrier will find a way of finding the right people that they need to talk to, who can provide them with the advice and support they need. We provide a bridge between academics and practitioners, so we see it very much as part of our everyday work to carry on building on these networks and helping people strengthen those relationships. And we'll carry on developing the web platform, we'll carry on encouraging people to blog and tweet about their work, and we'll showcase the work that we've done at a number of different events in order just to raise people's awareness and direct them towards the website so that they can pick up and use it in any way that they find helpful.